Hey there, welcome to the Drunk Cyclist. Today, I rode Intense's new Primer. It's a 29-inch full carbon trail bike. It's a derivation or even an evolution of their former Spider 29er or their current Carbine 29er. The Primer comes in 4 build kits, which like most of Intense's cycles do. The Foundation being the cheapest, Expert Pro, Factory being the most expensive. Cheap is kind of a relative term when you're talking about an Intense bike. Even their cheapest version costs more than you can get a good used Harley Davidson Sportster for. I rode the Expert, which is spec'd out in Shimano group set, Rock shocks, front and rear shocks. It's got some bling for the Expert build. It has DT Swiss wheels, Renthal fat bar, Thompson stem. Look, I'm not really into this technical shit. I just like to ride. I mean, I can go on about the JS Tune suspension, integrated boost, but I got to tell you, I don't even know what the fuck I just said. What I do know, this is a 5-inch travel trail bike. It's new school geometry. It's slack head angle, steep seat angle, short chain stays, low bottom bracket. The thing's meant to go up and down mountains. It's a fun bike to ride. One of the first things that surprised me is how well this bike climbs. It climbs like a Sherpa with his ass on fire. I'm coming from a Specialized Epic cross-country bike. This thing climbs as well as or better. Maybe some of the tight stuff my XC bike does a little better, but and I'm not quite used to this geometry. But I gotta say, I can't picture a scenario where this bike doesn't climb better or outperform generally than my cross country bike. And look at the thing. It's gorgeous. It's sexy. It's I mean, not like a little Twitter bitch Taylor Swift way, but in a Beyonce in a thong kind of way, shaking her halo. It's so damn pretty. I don't know if I want to ride it or sleep with it. Downhill, what can I say? This bike is just buttery smooth. You can tell from the video. The videos are a little misleading because I have a gimbal on my GoPro, and it cuts out a little of the chatter. It's supposed to make the video more linear and smooth, but man, the thing, it just feels rock solid going downhill over steps. I'm not really at an age where I want to jump shit anymore, but if one were so inclined, I can see hucking this thing off boulders, rocks, ledges, cliffs, single-story houses. This thing, I'm very impressed with this bike. this bike. It's a lot of money, and I'm kind of stupid with money, so anyway, thanks for watching. Remember, never ride sober. Is it always right? Oh, just wear your
and I'm headed out west, sucker, because I wanna be a cowboy.